I wanted to come to Moraine Valley Community College because it was close to home and affordable, and I knew that there were a bunch of people from my school who would be going too. So it's nice to have that network of friends already, but it was also an opportunity to make new friends.
Prior to my exit of the military, I was looking for places to go to school that would utilize my GI Bill benefits. Moraine Valley was an obvious choice, being so close and to the plan that I wanted to have, being close to work, close to home, close to school, to keep me in the area so that way I had time to get back and forth where I needed to go to take care of my responsibilities.
I'm glad I came to Moraine Valley because it's been such a great opportunity and experience, and I couldn't have made this happen at any other school. We have smaller classes, which allows that one-on-one communication with the teacher. We also have lots of honors courses. All the teachers are super approachable and really understanding. I'm a student mentor at the Bridge program, which helps high schoolers bridge the gap between high school and college. Being a student mentor has really helped me expand my repertoire of leadership abilities and just helped me help others, which makes me happy. We have PTK, which is the Honor Society for Community Colleges, and I'm a member of that. I really liked being part of that because it was a whole new community of people who thought the same way that I did and were just as driven as me. I'm a part of Ultimate Frisbee Club and Women in Action. There are a lot of outings that we do and it's really fun. We also have a whole bunch of other clubs that you can get the opportunity to make friends within. And we also have the opportunity for you to make your own club in, if we don't have the club that you're specifically looking for. Moraine Valley has helped me prepare for my next step in getting a bachelor's degree. The academic advisors and counselors have given me so much information and the doors are always open. Moraine Valley was my best choice because coming here was a step out of my comfort zone, and there are many experiences I've had that were out of my comfort zone here. But it's helped me grow as a person, as a student, and as a leader.
When I was younger, my dad always would grab me, "Hey, we're fixing Mom's car, come on, I need your help." That really intrigued me growing up, just seeing how intricate a car works and stuff that can go wrong and how easily or difficult it can be to repair it. So I wanted to challenge myself that way. I was previously a student at Moraine right after high school. Changing careers and going into the military stopped my education for a time being. But after I returned, it looked the same. It was very welcoming. There was a lot of changes as well, positively, and I was really excited to come back and finish education. The Moraine Valley Automotive Program does encompass the whole vehicle as a whole and not just parts. And that is way more beneficial because you're going to be working on real life cars, people's vehicles that are going to want it in the same condition that when they left it. Seeing the computers here, scan tools that we do utilize in the shop in the real world, coming to the CAP program really did give me a head start. I am in class with a lot of younger students. It used to bother me the first couple of weeks of school, but as time went on, they grew on me, I grew on them, and just have a bond now, and I believe that we'll be friends for a long time. One of my main goals after completing the Mopar CAP program in Moraine Valley was to walk across that stage and give my daughter an example of hard work and what you can do if you just put your mind to it. And I can't wait to see her face light up when I walk across that stage and seeing that I accomplished something.